Hello guys, welcome. So you replace your SSD M.2 hard drive from your computer, and now you have an extra one, and you don't want to throw it away. It still works. So stay with me, and I'll show you what you can do with this. Okay, hello guys. So you have the extra hard drive SSD card that you replace in your computer, and now you don't know what to do with this one. And it's a good one. It's a 360 gigabytes that you can use. You can put it for use. So I found this in Amazon. It's called Unitek, and it's for external hard drive, to convert this into external hard drive. So it comes. This is equipment. I'll put the description down below, and I'll put the link where I bought it from and the price. Comes with two cables, USB-C. It connects to USB-C right here to a USB-C, and it has the USB-C to USB. Comes with a sticker, comes with a plate in case you use a small one. In this case I'm going to use this one, but you can actually use that one too, different size, and that's what it's this for, to support it inside the equipment. Okay, let's open it up. Let's take this off. Yeah, okay, push it right here and slide down. Now you can put the SD card, the M.2 snap in there, and it has here to support it. See, it clicks. That right there, and it has, if you guys see right here, it has for the another sizes M.2 cards, SD cards. In this case I'm going to use that one. So we plug that one here, goes in, this will snap right here. Once we have it in place, we'll go ahead and close it. Put it backwards. Slide in and then connect, and now you have an extra portable hard drive. It's really reliable. I have a couple of those already. I just want to show you my third one that I was gonna set up, because I replaced my M.2 hard drive from my laptop. And so let's check it out. Let's plug it in and see how it works. Okay, so now after we put the M.2 hard drive, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the computer and see if it works. There we go. It's right here. It used to be my off Windows. So what we can do is you go ahead, do a quick format. You can do a exFAT, which will work for Mac and Windows. Change the label for extra drive. You do a quick format. Now it's done, and it's right here, extra drive. Now we go to properties. We have, the drive was 500 gigabytes. So this is allocation. So we have about 471 available. So now your extra drive that you took out of your laptop, now you have functionality on it. Now you can actually use it for backup, for whatever you want to use. It's an extra external drive, so you don't have to just toss it in the drawer and leave it there forever and never use it. Now you can purchase this item, and I believe this item, if I show you right here, this is the price. It's a Unitek M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure 2 portable aluminum USB 3.1 generation 2 will transfer at 10 gigabytes per second, and the price is $35.99. So I believe it's a good investment. I will put out my link. I'll put the link of this drive, and it works for Mac, it works for Windows, it works for any operation system. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If subscribe, like my video, leave a comment, any questions. It will help a lot for my channel. I will be making more videos, and hope to guys keep watching my videos and leaving comment and like it. And please don't forget to subscribe. And guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you.